Hi, this is Kevin Crow with the Stata YouTube channel. Today, I would like to demo a new Stata 16 dialog that allows you to load a subset of data from a Stata dataset. What's nice about this dialog is that it allows you to search through your dataset to find the variables you need to load into Stata's memory space. For this demo, I have a dataset on U.S. industry tangible wealth. This dataset contains around 20,000 variables. The data I want to load into Stata are all variables related to forestry software expenditures by year. To do this, I'm going to click on the File menu and select Open Data Subset. Next, I'll click on the Browse button and find my DTA file and double-click on it. After I do this, all the variables that are in the dataset will be loaded into this list box. I'm first going to select the time variable and add it to my variable list. I'm then going to filter the variables based on software and forestry. I'm going to select all and then add them to my variable list and then click on the OK button to load the data into Stata. Last, I'm going to right-click on the command that was issued in the history window and select Send Selected to Do File Editor so that I can save the command for future use. Note that this same dialog can be used to load subsets of both SPSS and SAS. Thanks for watching.